Story 14. A year of dearth set in at Alexandria, so that even a dervish lost the reins of patience from his hands. The pearls of heaven were withheld from the earth, and the lamentations of mankind ascended to the firmament. There was no wild beast, fowl, fish, or ant, whose wailings, prompted by distress, had not reached the sky, or a wonder, the heart smoke of the people did not condense to form clouds, and the torrents of their tears rain. In such a year there was a hermaphrodite. I owe it to my friends, not to describe him, because it would be an abandonment of good manners, especially in the presence of great men. On the other hand, it would likewise be improper and in the way of negligence not to mention anything about him, because certain people would impute it to the ignorance of the narrator. Accordingly, I shall briefly describe him in the following 2 distiches, because a little indicates much, and a handful is a sample of a donkey load. If a Tatar slays that hermaphrodite, the Tatar must not be slain in return. How long will he be like the bridge of Baghdad, with water flowing beneath and men on the back? Now, hermaphrodite is, it's a fact of nature, right? But it is known which ones are male and which ones are female. Sometimes it's not the business of the other people to know, because people aren't immediately sure with some of them. But yeah, how long will he be like the bridge of Baghdad, with water flowing beneath and men on the back? Such a man, a portion of whose eulogy thou hast now heard, possessed in that year boundless wealth, bestowed silver and gold upon the needy, and laid out tables for travelers. A company of dervishes, who were by the presence of distress on the point of starvation, were inclined to accept of his hospitality, and consulted me on the subject, but I struck my head back from assenting and replied, a lion does not eat the half of which a dog consumed, although he may die of hunger in his lair. Though getting rich in wealth and property, like Faradun, a worthless man is to be considered of no account. Well, everything counts, right? But the some animals, they don't know about diseases and stuff, right? But they have practices that seem to prevent, one group of animals, and then another, has its prey, but something's left, and maybe the hyenas will take it, but